Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday morning. Do not mind that. Whoopsie daisy. So I just got my vanity. Yes, I just got my vanity. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Me and Bae just finished wiping it down. I'm about to show you guys. I think this is the mirror. And I think this is like the desk. Guys, I'm so excited. Don't mind my trash. We're cleaning. Babe. Alicia, I hope you're watching this. You see what kind of man he is?
We have the mirror upside down.
Whatever. Baby, this is heavy and mad pieces. You really not gonna help me? Alicia, take your brother. I don't want him. I don't want him.
Rushing me up.
Maybe if you woke up in time
to
for your
sit here
class.
and open some damn boxes.
You should have been up actually, so.
No, I shouldn't have been up.
Yes,
actually.
you have. You should.
I wake up
been.
when I fucking wake up.
Oh, but see, now you got an absent on your class.
No, I don't have an absent on my class.
Whatever.
I can't get absent on the damn online class.
Whatever. So we're building this, and I'm starting to notice that this is pretty freaking short. So, I don't know. We'll just see. I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of my vanity now that it's done. Okay, so to start things off, I'm just gonna walk through every point of my desk. So over here, I have these fake flowers in this gold pineapple vase because the color scheme for my room is white, pink, and gold. And I just wanted something cute to accessorize my room. And now that my vanity is here, I put on my vanity. Then I have these lip glosses back here that I mainly use on clients. Then I got this casing from Amazon, and these hold a good amount of my brushes. I'm probably gonna have to get like another holder because as you can see, all my brushes cannot fit on this. Then I don't remember where I got this from. I wanna say TJ Maxx. It came with like 2 slot things, but I took them out. And I have all my foundations and concealers in here. These are not all my color. Whoops. As you can see, I have foundations for all skin tones for clients, so as for my concealers. And this thing, which I believe I got from TJ Maxx as well, I have like scissors to cut my lashes, lip liners, mascara, primers. This is a brow gel. I have my beauty blender. I have a whole bunch more, but this is my favorite one to use from e.l.f. It's only like, I think $6. It's either $3 or $6. Then I have my pomades. I have my bases. These are from P. Louise. Love these things. I have this fur thing that I've had for a couple years. As you can tell, it's a little worn out, but I just used it for decor. Then behind my mirror, I have baby wipes and makeup remover. And then my Impressions Vanity Mirror. This is the mirror that the vanity came with. and it has light bulbs. It did come with the light bulbs, so I'm extremely happy about that. I did not want to buy a desk and then a mirror separately. Didn't want to do that, but I'm glad they came together. The light switch is right there, and I just have like hair stuff in this box, miscellaneous things over here, and my lashes. Make sure you guys cop them up. Now we're moving to the desk. As you can see, I have risers on here. The desk came pretty short, which is one thing I did not know, but it's all right. I just bought me some white risers. Ew, white risers. This is my eye drawer, and this is my face and lip drawer. So as you see, all my palettes are in here. Lashes are in here. These are like mascara wands and lip applicators for clients. I hold my lashes in here, and newer things like eyeliner pigments and gel eyeliner. This is just makeup I'm giving to a friend that I don't use. Sorry the case is so beat up, Kizzy, but this is for you. I split my palettes up by brand, kind of. So this is Juvia's Place. I have all my Juvia Place palettes right here. The Warrior 2, the Zulu, the Warrior, the Saharan. I said that mad weird, but whatever. Nubian 3 Coral, and the Nubian 2. So those are all the Juvia's Place palettes that I have. And you know, it's funny, I just bought more palettes today by Hera, because I never ordered a palette from her before. But I have the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. This is probably like my least favorite, but it was a gift from someone, so I do use it. Then I have my Jackie Aina palette. Make sure you check out my Soft Glam tutorial. I use this palette. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. This was a gift from my boyfriend when we were just friends. I have my James Charles palette, probably like my favorite palette out of everything that I have because it's so universal. And I have the Morphe 35V palette. I bought this when I was going to Miami because I went back home before my flight and forgot all my palettes. I brought brushes, highlighters, face things, and forgot my palettes. Then I have, oh wow, this is this is how you know it's old. But this is my Morphe 3502. This is my first palette that I ever bought. Is this the first palette? No, this is my second palette that I ever bought from Morphe. The first one I threw away. And then this is the Morphe 35B. Yes. And this is basically like this is just the rainbow one. It's just straight colors. And as you can see, I put paper towels underneath them because I just wanted to make sure that this stayed clean, because this is white. I spent a pretty penny on it, and it's just gonna have to stay that way, period. Then I just have some extra lashes over here, and then I have all the Jaclyn Hill the Vault palettes, oh, except for one, and then this contour palette that wouldn't fit in the next drawer. And of course my SlayedBySair lashes. Like, come on guys, get into it. Go to my Instagram to see all the lashes and to purchase. Now my favorite drawer, mainly because I have these organizers in there, but all these organizers came from Amazon. I love them. They made life so much easier. So I have all my face powders in here. I got the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, the Fit Me in 30, 35, and 40. Then I have this, I think it's Black Opal, but I don't really think I like it, so I just, well, it's so dark for me, but I don't think I like it, so it's in the back. Then I just have all my highlighters or like eyeshadows that I want to use as highlighter. I remember I bought this one from NYX. Don't really use it much, but I have the Airspun. I'm sorry, guys. I have the Airspun highlighters. Maybelline, Milani, Becca, Fenty. Then I have my Fit Me face powders, a contour powder from Fenty, but I use it for my face. And then I have my blushes back here. And I also have face powders, setting powders down here, but they're both air spun. Then I just have this dark spot, anti-dark spot face cream that I got from Walmart, I believe. Yeah. Then I have this of miscellaneous things and a lash that doesn't have the other one. I have this Jeffree Star highlighter that I got from a friend. I have my contour kits down here. My Ulta Beauty one is my favorite one. Love that one. I have my two favorite face sprays, the Fix Plus. I'm trying the cucumber one. You could just honestly get the regular one, but I did want to try cucumber. But my two favorite sprays. And then all my favorite lip colors. Oh, this is Ruby Woo. This is Velvet Teddy. This is Saint Germain. And this is Balsam Friends, my favorite one so far. Then I have Snob by MAC. This is Rebel. This is Fortune Cookie. That is Madeline. Oh no, this is what is this? Creme Brulee, right? Yeah, Creme Brulee. Fortune Cookie, Madeline, and then the soft mattes ones. This is London. This is Eclair, I think, and this is Madeline as well. But yeah, this smells so good. Honestly, that's why I bought it. This is my vanity. I don't have a cute vanity chair yet, but I'm waiting until I move to get one. But this is my vanity, guys. I love it. For my first vanity, I think this is good enough. I cannot wait till I got my own house, because girl, it's about to be a whole vanity room. But this will do for right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.